Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video, I want to show you how you can color code your Apple Calendar. I'm using an iPhone today, but this will work across all of your Apple devices. The trick here with Apple Calendar, the color is determined by the calendar, but within iCloud, you can add multiple calendars that creates different categories in which you can customize and color code. So here I am within my calendar application. Select the calendar icon on the bottom right-hand corner. I already have 3 categories under my iCloud account: home, work, and kids events. Scroll down to the bottom and select Add Calendar. Select Add Calendar, title this Appointments. Be sure to select the account in which you'd like to nestle this category under. I am only signed into my iCloud account, but if you had multiple accounts like Gmail, Outlook, that would show up. And then I will scroll down and select color. I can choose any of these default colors or customize and create my own color. Once satisfied with your color, you can go back and select the checkbox at the top right corner. Now I have this new category here, and if I go to create an event by selecting the plus sign on the top right corner, select doctor appointment, scroll down, select calendar, and select appointments, select the checkbox on the top right corner, and now you'll notice that I have my doctor appointment color coded right here. I hope this video helped you learn how to color code your calendars within Apple Calendar. Stay organized, be productive, and I will see you in the next video.